What is photography school? Have you ever wondered what it takes to turn your passion for photography into a career? Photography school might be the perfect place for you to start. So, what exactly is photography school? It is an educational program designed to teach students the art and science of photography. Whether you are just starting or have some experience, these schools provide the skills and knowledge needed to create stunning images. In photography school, students learn about camera operation, lighting techniques, and digital editing. You will get hands-on experience with different types of cameras and equipment. Courses often cover essential software like Adobe Photoshop and Lightroom, which are key tools for photo editing. The curriculum usually includes both technical and creative aspects. You will explore composition, storytelling through images, and visual expression. This balance helps you develop a unique style and approach to your photography. Many programs also teach various photography styles, such as portrait, commercial, fine art, documentary, and fashion photography. Additionally, photography schools often include lessons on the history of photography. Understanding the cultural and artistic context of your work can deepen your appreciation for the craft. Programs can vary widely, from single classes to full degree courses. You can earn certificates, associate degrees, or bachelor's degrees in photography. Some schools focus on preparing students for professional careers. They teach business skills like marketing and portfolio creation alongside technical training. Others may prioritize creative development and artistic expression. Facilities at photography schools are typically well equipped. You might find studios, darkrooms for film development, and computer labs for digital imaging. This setup allows you to gain practical experience with both traditional film and modern digital cameras. For teenagers considering photography school, it can be a fantastic way to build a strong foundation before college. It is also an opportunity to explore photography as a potential career or serious hobby. You will connect with fellow students and professionals, receive feedback on your work, and develop a portfolio. This portfolio can be a significant asset for college applications or job opportunities in the creative field. Overall, photography school combines practical training, artistic development, and professional preparation. It helps students grow as photographers and visual communicators, setting the stage for future success in the field.